Hey everyone, it's Lauren Cannon with Millennium Sounds, and today I want to talk to you about one of our most popular commercial products, the Yealink MeetingBar A30. Let's get this meeting started. One of the most common problems we hear from our clients is technology getting in the way of running great meetings. Between webcams, microphones, tabletop devices, and all the cords, it takes an IT expert just to get hooked up. Once you're in the meeting, we've all experienced the echoes, having to repeat yourself, devices disconnecting, etc. Wouldn't it be great if there was an all-in-one solution for virtual meetings that are easy to join and easy to participate in? Good news. There is one. It's the Yealink MeetingBar A30. This plug-and-play device is simple to set up and even easier to use. The MeetingBar A30 can be set up as a dedicated Teams bar utilizing the CTP18 or set to BYOD mode, bringing effective meeting control options to your unique needs. The A30 allows anyone in your organization to set up and join a meeting quicker than you can make a cup of coffee. Once you get started, you're in for a great experience with amazing AI-powered sound and video. 8 microphones ensure great voice coverage anywhere in the room for people who talk at any volume. High-fidelity speakers ensure that those joining virtually can always be heard. With HD audio and AI noise cancellation, noisy distractions like keyboard clicking or Bill scooting his chair out at the wrong time are minimized, leading to more productive meetings. On the video side, the A30 features dual cameras with 10 times hybrid zoom, and AI-powered functionality that allows for ultra-clear wide shots, auto-framing, and speaker tracking along with picture-in-picture. The A30 is an all-in-one solution that brings easy functionality, advanced sound and picture quality, and AI-powered features to your conference room. The next meeting you have, you'll know any issues aren't you, it's them. The A30 is designed to fit wherever your needs are. That's it for now. Stop by our showroom to check out the Yealink MeetingBar A30 today or give us a call to learn more. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments and make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.